In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an out-of-office status on Slack. This is a handy tool to keep your team informed when you're not around to respond to messages. Whether you're going on vacation or simply need some uninterrupted focus time, setting up an out-of-office status ensures everyone knows you're away from your desk. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. Firstly, start by opening Slack and navigating to your main channel. This is where most of your team interactions occur, so it's a good starting point. Once you're in, hover over your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the Slack interface. You'll notice a few options pop up once you hover over it. Go ahead and click on your profile icon to bring up the menu. Now you'll be looking at the profile options. Here, you have two main methods to set your out of office status. The simplest way is right in this menu. Typically, you'd have an option that directly relates to your status. However, for a more comprehensive setup, let's explore the second option. Go back to the profile menu, which we accessed earlier by clicking on your profile icon. From here, click on Update Your Status. This leads you to a text field where you can enter your status message. You'll also notice Slack provides a set of suggestions, like in a meeting or out sick. However, since we're setting an out of office message, you might want to put something like out of office or on vacation. Make sure it's clear and specific if needed. After typing your status, you'll see the status duration option. Click on the calendar icon to bring up date and time settings. Here you can set a specific time frame for your status to be active. Perhaps you're out for a day, so you'd click on today. If you're out for a longer period, then this week might be more appropriate. These options allow you to customize how long you want your team to see your out of office note. Moving forward, you'll have options related to notifications. If you're aiming for complete silence while you're away, you might choose to do not pause notifications. However, Slack also offers the option to pause notifications for everyone except VIPs, which is extremely useful if there are key updates or people who might still need to reach you. Now that you've adjusted your status message, timing, and notification preferences, it's crucial to save your settings. Simply click on the Save button and all your changes will be applied. By doing this, not only does it set your current status, but it also ensures its accuracy across your team's Slack environment. And there you have it, a thoroughly set up out of office status on Slack. Remember, it's always good practice to check back before your return to normal status, ensuring your settings are up to date. This way you stay efficient and communication remains streamlined for you and your team.